Hey guys, welcome back. This is Saif with another tutorial from TechForAll. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to save more RAM with Microsoft Edge Sleeping Tabs option. Let's start. First of all, open Microsoft Edge and now open several websites or several tabs. After you have opened several tabs, now click on the three dots and select Settings. On the left side of the screen, click on the System and scroll down. Under Performance tab, enable the Save Resources with Sleeping Tabs option. If you want the sleeping tabs to be faded, enable this option, and the tabs that are going to sleep will be faded, which will save the memory and CPU and also improve the performance of your PC. Using this drop-down, you can specify the amount of time that a tab should go to sleep. For example, I want the tab to go to sleep after 5 minutes of inactivity. If you don't want a website to go to sleep, simply click on the Add button and write down the address. For example, I don't want all those tabs which belongs to Google to go to sleep. Click on the Add button to add this website. If you want to delete an excluded website, simply click on the three dots and then select Remove. The tab will be removed from Sleeping Tabs option. Point to be noted that according to Microsoft, you can save up to 37% of your memory usage by enabling the Sleeping Tabs option in Microsoft Edge. And that's all for today, guys. Thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will catch you very soon with another tutorial. Till then, have a nice time.